Welcome back to a new video from Lively English Content. In this video, I'm going to share the health benefit of water chestnut, and I will also share a unique remedy of it. So keep watching this video till the end. Water chestnuts are nutritious because they are high in fiber, low in calories, and contain no fat. They also contain several vitamins and healthy antioxidants. It is an excellent source of vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, copper. The potassium in water chestnut may reduce your risk of stroke and high blood pressure, which are both linked to heart disease. That's why it is also called heart friendly fruit. Its shape resembles to heart as well. Being a rich source of calcium and vitamin D, water chestnuts are a healthy alternative to the supplements used to strengthen the bones and maintaining teeth enamel. Now I'm going to share the remedy which gives your bones energy and you will get rid of body and bone pains. So avail of and share it. In Urdu, water chestnut is called a singhara, and you know that it comes for a while in the starting of winter season. And when it is available in market, we boil it and we can use it. This is a simple recipe, but it is also available in the dry form in market, and you have to take this and grind it and make powder. And this is the fine powder, see this, and you have to take 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of this powder you add in milk, and you stir it very well and you use daily. You have to take this when your stomach is empty. You have to take this, and within a month you feel some of benefits of this remedy. If you have some problem like arthritis pain or any joint pains, you have to continue your medicine which your doctor prescribed for you, and you have to take this cup of milk. Share this video, give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching.